So when you come through the village,
Yeah, you can come to the market.
then
The market.
coming to the market right here. Yeah. So when you come to the market inside,
Have a look, the market. Local market.
there is all locals with different Cape Verdean t-shirt.
Can I show you my drink here?
And then you go,
How much time? That's very young. See, the sun.
yeah, yeah, this is all southern, as you see. And we got flowers as well. We got flowers. All this is a shop. You can come in and do your shop. You got flowers, all sorts. Everything set in this market. I will come another day and make some nice video here for you guys, so you can see what people are selling. Lots of flowers, beautiful selection, and they have fruits, they have teas, and all sorts. All the goodies. Oh, nice. Mandioca, batata, abóbora, fresh vegetable, banana. Everything here. Everything. Wonderful. All goods. Welcome to Bao Vista Market. Yeah. Onde sala? Ah, no voy. Onde Manuel? Tá lá com ela? Yeah. Yo, beautiful. This is Mercado Municipal.
No, no, no,
Yeah.